gang. So welcome back to the channel, Elevate Your Energy. It's Jazi, and we're doing a quick weekend check-in read. Okay, so we're just gonna find out what Spirit wants you to know for this weekend upcoming. I'm recording this on January 13th on Thursday. Okay, happy Jupiter Day, you guys. I hope you guys are having a way better start to the year, okay, than we had last year. All right, if you're a new viewer to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subby, I'm so glad to have you back. It's definitely been a few days. The girl hasn't been feeling the best. I've just been going through a lot of changes myself, to be quite honest with you guys. So cool your emotions. All right, so some of you Saggies this weekend need to chill. Okay, chill out. It's time to allow yourself to cool down. Cool your fire this weekend. Okay, let's get another one for this weekend. What's going on? What Spirit wants you to know the most? Trust the universe. Trust the universe. Yes. So yeah, cool your emotions and trust this process. Okay, that's going to be I feel like really important for us, those who have Saggy placements. Okay, this can apply to you if you've come across this reading. All right, if the title drew you or my energy drew you, this reading can still resonate with you. Okay, don't let the signs throw you off. Just some people prefer sign specific readings, so that's why I'm doing it. All right, but otherwise, you know, we can operate in any sign at any given moment. Okay, so don't let the sign fool you. So let's see what's going on this weekend. Most important messages for Saggies. Yes. So y'all are in your element this weekend. Okay. I feel like you're really feeling on fire, and that could be why Spirit is suggesting to make sure you cool your emotions. Okay. Because there could be something that's maybe coming up this weekend that may be challenging to you, maybe kind of throwing you off, or some of you are just really feeling in your element, and you may need to just kind of like cool, chill. You know, like I said, there could be something that's taking place where you're kind of uncertain, you're kind of unsure of the outcome, if, you know, something's going to work, if something's going to be okay. But Spirit's definitely saying this is the time to trust the universe. Okay, trust the process, trust that, you know, whatever you're stepping into, okay, you got this. Okay, whatever you know, whatever wisdom you have, whatever knowledge you have on the topic, you know, whatever it is, that, you know, you're good, you're in your element. Okay, let's see, what's the Queen of Wands? Spirit, clarify what's the Queen of Wands for this weekend for Saggies. What's the Queen of Wands, please? What's the Queen of Wands? And this is a general reading, so whatever comes up just comes up. Okay, if it's love, queer, whatever, it's kind of whatever Spirit wants to get into. All right, Spirit, clarify what's the Queen of Wands. Oh, okay. Queen of Cups. So yeah, this is nurturing yourself, doing what's best for you. Okay, taking time to really tap into your emotional space, to tap into your heart space, connecting with your higher self this weekend. Okay, I feel like for some of you it's going to be really important to maybe get out by some water, maybe put your feet in the water. Okay, for you to cool yourself down. There may be, like I said, something that's really maybe tapping into your emotions or making you feel really emotional. Maybe I feel like some of you are really doing some releasing this weekend. I know that I've been doing that all day today, and just kind of like, I feel like my higher self has been really prepping me for this full moon that we have coming up. Okay, so some of you are going to be maybe feeling really emotional this weekend, so it's going to be important for you to really cool, allow yourself to be able to calm down. Okay, and have that balance between your fire and your water, right? Your actions and your emotions. Okay, because we have the queen, both queens here, so it's like you're definitely tapping into wanting to take action. But for some of you, it's Spirit's asking you to nurture yourself at this time, to maybe take some time out to just chill and, you know, do something for you. Okay, take some time out to just, you know, allow yourself to relax. All right, let's see what else is going on this weekend. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so this is taking one step at a time. All right, slow and steady wins the race. This is taking one step, putting one foot in front of the other, taking your time, not rushing into anything. Okay, really connecting to your higher self, allowing yourself to connect to your emotions, connect to your higher spirit, to really, you know, figure out what you need to do, what you need to take action on. For others of you, this is something that's coming into you that's taken a really long time. and it's finally coming because you've allowed it in. You've taken the time to nurture yourself, to take care of yourself, to really allow this energy in by being in your power, being in your element. Okay, so for some of you, that's what this is. This is a long-term commitment. This could be a job, okay, some type of promotion, something that you've been waiting a really long time for, feeling like maybe it would never come. But this is also, I feel like for some of you, this is still taking one step at a time, putting one foot in front of the other and trusting the process, trusting the universe in this, whatever this is, okay? Allowing yourself to just chill and cool down, cool your emotions. For some of you, you want to take off, feel like you want to do things, you know, because of maybe how you're feeling, maybe because of all the emotions that are trying to pour out of you at this time. But Spirit is asking you to maybe take your time and just trust the universe through this process. Okay, trust the universe at this time. It's time to just go with the flow more this weekend. Okay, what's the Knight of Pentacles? For the Knight of Pentacles. I feel like Spirit's really asking you guys to not rush, to not rush this weekend. Trust the process, trust the slowing down, because some of you are not feeling grounded. You're not feeling grounded at this time. Maybe you're not feeling like you have what you need. For some of you, you're not feeling resourceful at this time. And that's why Spirit's saying that you need to cool down. You need to trust this time, trust this process, and just keep going. Keep taking the steps. Even if you don't feel like, for some of you, I feel like it's because you don't feel like there's any movement happening. You don't feel like anything's, you know, being created with the action that you are taking. So Spirit's asking you to cool yourself, to calm yourself down, and just continue to take slow steps. Okay, you don't need to always run. We don't always need to run. Sometimes we just need to walk. We just need to, you know, like when you're running a marathon, right? Eventually you take time and you start walking. Even if you're brisk walking, you're still walking, but you've cooled your, you know, you're taking the time to walk and pace yourself, and, you know, take that break that you need. That's what Spirit's asking you, some of you, to do this weekend. Okay, to really allow yourself to just take your time, to just take baby steps right now. That right now is the time of chill. Okay, right now is the time of chill and release, because we have a lot of emotions, okay, that are trying to come up and trying to come out. So now is not the time to really be rushing around and, you know, trying to do shit. For some of you, you really want to, but Spirit's asking you to chill. Right now is the time to chill, because trust me, you're going to have plenty of time to take action. There's going to be plenty of time where you're going to need all that energy that Spirit's asking you to hold onto right now, and allow yourself to cool and calm down. Because if you use up all your energy now, when you need it, you're not going to have it, right? What else is going on, Spirit? Throwing cards at me, you guys. Ace of Wands. What'd I say? You're going to have a new passionate opportunity. There's going to be something that's going to come in that's going to spark your inspiration, and you're going to want to go. You're going to need your energy for this. This is exactly what Spirit's talking about. So this is saying trust the universe at this time. Trust what you're getting at this time, because there's going to come an opportunity. It's coming very soon. All right. Where you're going to need to take action, where you're going to be, you know, where you're going to want to respond. You're going to want to, you know, to act. And that's when you're going to need that energy. So this is the time now where it's like, just calm down. It's cool. Don't worry. All right. Just keep taking the steps, and the door of opportunity is right here for you. The idea, whatever it is, that spark of inspiration, it's coming for you. Don't trip. Let's see, Ace of Wands. King of Swords. So speaking some type of truth. Okay, this could be some type of clarity that's coming in, you know, some type of idea, something that you're going to have to take action on, some opportunity that's coming in for you to really speak your truth, for you to really be honest. Okay, for you to really set something straight, set the record straight with something. Okay, this is going to be an opportunity for you to maybe really you know, say what's on your mind. Okay, for you to really be honest with no emotions. Okay, taking the emotions out of it and coming from a logical place, a logical standpoint. All right, having new opportunities that are gonna bring in success. Okay, bring in new ideas, new thoughts that will turn into successful ideas. Okay, successful creations. All right, allowing yourself to create, coming into new creative opportunities, and allowing yourself to really take them on, and trust in, you know, trust that you know you can do this, believing in yourself. Okay, believing in the ideas that are coming to you, and knowing that if the opportunity is presenting itself, it's because it's time. But until they present itself, allow yourself to just chill, allow yourself to just keep taking the steps forward. Okay, we don't need to rush it. We don't need to rush things will happen exactly when and how they're supposed to. All right, let's get some outcome energy for this weekend from the Saggy gang. What we got going on? Outcome energy. weekend. Lovers. Okay, so this could definitely be, let's see, what's Lovers? Ace of Swords. So having to make a decision, okay? Having to make a choice to make maybe between two people, all right? But this is also doing something, you know, finding something that you love, okay? Doing something that you love that allows you to, because it's allowing you to speak your truth. It's allowing you to be honest. It's clarity, okay? Decisions being made because you have you're clear in thought, clear in mind, okay? And that's why Spirit's maybe asking you to cool your emotions so you can have, you know, have a clear perspective, clear perception about something, okay? So you can make a logical choice that's going to be victorious, that's going to be, that's going to allow maybe a breakthrough that you've been looking for, that you've been needing, but you need to cool your emotions on the subject, okay? Allow yourself to come from a logical place, and that's what's going to bring the clarity. That's what's going to allow the clarity in for you to make the right choice, make a logical decision, okay? Where it matters, all right? Because you're taking your emotions out of it, okay? All right, let's get one more. Talking energy for this weekend. Judgment. So this is making a judgment call, making a decision. This could also be something coming back around for you to look at, okay? Something coming back around, but look at the bottom, the Wheel of Fortune, okay? Things are turning. This is, you know, something that's destined to happen. However it's playing out, it's destined to play this way. Some of you are coming into some clarity because you've gone through an enlightenment. You've recently gone through another awakening. I myself have as well. So this is, you know, having a new, like, a upgraded perspective, an upgraded perception of something, okay? Coming into new clarity. Some of us are coming into our gifts being upgraded, okay? Our skills, our intuition being heightened at this time, all right? So as, you know, you're coming into these new gifts and these new awarenesses, you're going to have other, you know, new decisions to make, okay? So that's why it's important for us to maybe cool our emotions down and allow ourselves to really take that step back and trust this process, trust the universe, and whatever you feel like isn't happening, whatever you feel like is moving really slow, whatever instability that you're feeling at this time, whatever, you know, you feel like you don't have enough of, you're not grounded, you're lacking something, okay? This is Spirit's time telling you to reconnect with your higher self. And just, you know, slow and steady, okay? We don't need to rush anything at this time because we're in the time of releasing. So it's, you know, it's going to be important to cool your emotions, allow yourself to, you know, chill your fire. You don't need to take action all the time, okay? Trust the universe in this time where you're being told to wait. If you're being told or being guided to not take action on something, okay? It's for a reason. So now's the time to really trust the universe, okay? Trust the universe this weekend. Know the universe has your back, all right? Things are turning. Things are changing. Things are turning in your favor. So we have to just allow it, okay? Know that the clarity is coming. You'll make the right decision. So trust your higher self. Trust the guidance, okay, that's coming through Spirit, okay? Be it through this reading, through, you know, another reading that resonates, or however you're receiving your messages, okay? Spirit is connecting to you at this time. So it's important for you to just listen, okay? And you do that by disconnecting your emotions and just allowing the, you know, the channeling to come through your crown, okay? That's what all this purple is here, allowing the channeling to come through your crown chakra, all right? So you can get the guidance, you can get the wisdom that Spirit's trying to give you at this time, all right? So I hope that was helpful for you guys. I hope you have a beautiful, dope-ass, productive-ass, lit-ass weekend, okay? Whatever that is for you, all right? Just do your best to enjoy yourself. Chill, allow yourself to cool down, okay? Trust the process, trust this waiting period or this period of instability or seeming like, you know, things aren't happening, all right? One message that came to me in this moment is lack of evidence is not evidence of lack, okay? Let me say that again. Lack of evidence does not mean evidence of lack, okay? So just because you don't see anything happening, you don't see anything moving, or it seems like nothing's moving, like things aren't happening, and that things aren't what, you know, what you need them to be right now, okay? Just know that that's changing, all right? Things are changing, things are shifting, all right? So reconnect to Spirit. Trust the guidance that you're getting at this time, all right? Trust the process. Trust the universe, all right? I love y'all so much. I hope you have a beautiful weekend. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you dig your girl's vibe, and we will reconnect very soon, all right? I love y'all. Peace.